Friends. It is June 11th, 2022. As you can see here, I'm on National Weather Service, and I was wondering if it's going to rain some more so I can plant some stuff in my garden. And I looked on here. This is where I live, right in here. And so then I decided to go to the College of DuPage, and I saw all this wacky. I can't get closer in here, but see these lines. Okay, these squares, the red and the yellow, are warnings of um, storm. Oh, why did I do that? Of serious storms. But then you can see all these little lines really quick, moving fast. And I can't get closer to that on this side here. But you can see them in there jumping around really quick. I was like, what is that? If I look just on my area, I can see it barely. That's what alerted me. But if you look over here, you can see this wacky stuff. Just give it a second here. See that wacky stuff that's showing up, those lines, those parallel lines? The radar is like doing something crazy that I haven't seen. And it could be, this is what is a curiosity to me. Is it checking out the storm so it can warn people, or is it making the storm worse? That's always my issue. And so then here now I'm on El Dorado, and this is the area, and you can see a few lines on here showing up, but it's not showing them very well. And this has a really neat thing over here on the side where I can change what's showing up. But I can't just, it won't let me just show up those radar lines. So here's the alerts, and that's letting you know that this is a dangerous area for the people there. Let's get that out of there. Severe watches in that area. Thunderstorm outlook. But you can see lines in here that aren't part of the storm. The radar is showing up on the radar showing up though. Let's see what the lightning strike looks like. It's a lot of lightning in that area. Is there any other way that I can look at that better? Let's go back to College of DuPage. See this? It's just like a lot of intensity. And let's go out a little farther, but you can't see it as well when I go out farther. And I wish I could put my finger on here, so I have to use the mouse. It's all right in here, and you can see. I don't know if I can catch it to stop. I can try, though. Okay, so I stopped it. See these little lines right in here? Let it go for a second and stop it. It's really hard to see these little lines in here. Again. Some more right in there. Here, these lines. The radar is just going intense here. Well, here you can see them spreading out up here now. It's like waves of radar, which is how it works. There's a center point, and they send the radar out, and then the echo comes back to let them know what's going on. And here, all the way down into here, see this? These little lines right here. These little green lines. Here you can see some. They're parallel lines. I wish I could get it. Okay, I'm just going to let it run for a second here, and you can see them, but I can't make it, it seems like I can't make it stop right when I was nice here, but you can see them going just berserko. Let's see if we can look farther out more even, and see what we see. Oh, let's look and see what it shows on here. So it's right this area right in here. Now, I'm not talking about when these boxes blink on and off. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about right in here. There's radar circles that are just going crazy right in the center part of the United States. Over here you can see some lines coming out from radar clear over the ocean. See how far the radar, the center point is in here somewhere, and the radar comes out that far, checking the atmosphere. I used to see a lot of this kind of stuff before a big storm, and Dutch Sensei was the one that taught a lot of us how to recognize that several years ago now. And I haven't seen it, doesn't show up on the radar. It's like they made it invisible. But today I can see it. So I'm going to leave you go so this isn't too long. I'm grateful for you and I'm here at your service. Thanks for watching. And subscribe if you feel like it.